A lot of people, I think, have seen blacksmithing either in movies or on YouTube or whatever. There's a lot of like sound and smell and visual components to it, which maybe are appealing to people. I mean, there's fire, which intrigues lots of people. It's very colorful. I mean, even the steel changes color. It goes from that black to red to yellow. So much of blacksmithing is experimentation. I mean, like every smith kind of approaches a project differently, so don't think you're gonna get it wrong. My name is Gragg. So I'm a amateur blacksmith, and I run classes here at the Gasworks Museum in South Dunedin. So I've been working here for about the past 3 years, and yeah, just want to introduce new people to the craft of blacksmithing. So we're making a fire poker today. Usually I have people make either a hook or a fire poker because it is a good example of a lot of the basic blacksmithing techniques for how to taper a piece of metal out and then maybe do a twist in it as well. And the class runs for about 5 hours. It's great kind of seeing them kind of develop through the class in terms of initially they're even having trouble kind of holding the hammer and holding the steel, but by the end they've created something. Yeah, it's a good size. We'll just kind of even up that curve. Cool. You can see someone else do it, and it looks easy, but it looks easy because they're quite skilled at it. And that to try and, like, there's so much going on that you may not realize in terms of how they're holding the steel, how they've heated it, kind of which angle of the hammer and so forth. And then, yeah, really get an appreciation for that kind of craft. And hopefully maybe they'll take future classes or kind of pursue it on their own, or at least have an understanding of kind of how the artistry works. So don't think you're gonna get it wrong. I mean, as long as you're operating safely, you've got kind of the kind of proper gear. Yeah, just kind of have a play, and really kind of hammering is a lot like hammering a nail. I mean, you want to hammer straight, and some of that just comes with muscle memory of just kind of knowing and knowing safely that I can raise the hammer above my head and I'm not going to hurt myself. Yeah, I mean, as with any skill, it's just practice.